Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are talking about piranhas. Piranhas might be scary, but they are interesting. So here are fun facts. 5, they are South American. 4, piranha means toothfish. However, not all piranha species have a taste for blood. They don't get bigger than 2 feet. 200 reported attacks. Can you believe how much more unreported attacks might there be? 0. They might be red, brown, and gray. Hope you stay safe, especially at times of COVID. I hope you have a nice day. Bye. Well, in the northern atmosphere it's nice night, but in the southern atmosphere it's day. So have a good night day. Bye.